So you want to make freshly baked chocolate chip cookies? Ingredients: 2 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 cup unsalted butter, at room temperature, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 3/4 cup brown sugar, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 2 cups semi-sweet chocolate chips. Follow these simple steps and you'll have mouth-watering cookies in no time. First, let's start with the wet ingredients. In a mixing bowl, cream together the butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until light and fluffy. Add in the eggs and vanilla extract and continue mixing until well combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and salt. Slowly add the dry ingredients to the mixing bowl, mixing until just combined. Next, fold in the chocolate chips. Cover the mixing bowl with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees F. Using a cookie scoop or spoon, form balls of dough and place them onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. Remove from the oven and allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it, delicious chocolate chip cookies that are perfect for any occasion. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes.